In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Windows Update errors in Windows 11. Fix Today here, let's begin. Start by clicking the Start button, open Settings, then go to System and select Troubleshoot. Click Other Troubleshooters, then find Windows Update and click Run. Follow the on-screen instructions, then restart your computer and try updating again. If the issue is still there, continue to the next step. Open Settings again, click Privacy and Security, and select Windows Security. Go to Virus and Threat Protection, click Manage Settings, and make sure real-time protection is turned on. This helps ensure updates are not being blocked by security settings. Next, click the search icon, type Services, and press Enter. In the Services window, locate Windows Update and double-click it. Set the startup type to automatic, then click Stop, followed by Start, and click OK. Do the same for Background Intelligent Transfer Service, or BITS, and Cryptographic Services. Make sure both are set to automatic and are running. Now go to Settings, then Windows Update, and open Update History. Scroll down and review the recent updates to check if there are any failed installations or error messages. After that, click the search icon, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type dism.e/online/cleanup-image/restore health and press Enter. Wait for it to complete. Then type sfc/scano and press Enter, and wait until the verification reaches 100%. Next, you'll need to reset Windows Update components. In the same Command Prompt window, type the commands shown on your screen one by one, pressing Enter after each. This will stop the update services. Then type the next commands shown to rename the software distribution and catroot to folders. After that, type the final set of commands shown to restart the services. Once everything is done, restart your computer and try checking for updates again. After following these steps, your Windows Update errors should be resolved and your system should update normally. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.